Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually check the smart card number of your Startimes decoder. So this smart card number, they normally place it either at the back of the decoder or beside the decoder box, or you can just check it from the decoder settings menu to actually get to know about it. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button, that is the end symbol on your remote, and when you come here, use the volume down to actually switch it to the other side, and press on the setting button, press OK on it. You come down to the decoder information right here and you press OK. So here we have on the right side of the page, you have the smart card number, which starts with a 025 and it ends with 65. So the number that starts with a 0257761, that will be your smart card number. So whenever you see the smart card number, the number that comes along with the smart card number, that's your number. So you need this number to actually do your registration or any other thing that you need to use your decoder to do. Alright, so that is it. If you find the video helpful and you're new here, you get to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.